everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. Firstly, wish you all a fantastic, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers all across the globe. Hope you guys are going to have a great Mother's Day celebrations with your beautiful family. Mother's Day is the perfect time to slow down, nourish ourselves, and celebrate the strength and care the women give every single day. And on this amazing occasion, I'm going to share a warm and comforting golden milk recipe made with milk, turmeric, and a touch of black pepper powder. This is a simple wellness drink that many women over 40 enjoy as part of a calming evening routine. This is the best drink to have before you hit the sack, right? Before you call it a day. So what are we waiting for? Let's make this beautiful golden drink together. Warm milk may support relaxation and sleep quality. Turmeric contains curcumin studied for inflammation and stress-related effects. Black pepper helps absorption of curcumin. This cozy drink is rich in comforting flavors and feels like a little act of self-care in a cup. Whether you're making it for yourself, your mom, or someone special, this recipe is all about warmth, balance, and taking a moment to recharge. This drink supports more stable energy, sleep, and stress regulation. My favorite time, tasting time. There you go, guys. The milk is now ready, and it's actually tasty. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. All the mothers around the world, a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you for your unconditional love, endless strength, sacrifices, and warmth that we as moms bring to everyone's lives. Thank you every single day. Mothers are the heart of the family, correct? They are the guiding light through every season of life and quiet heroes who give so much of themselves to others. Today is the day to celebrate you, us, all the women and all the mothers, appreciate you and encourage you to take a moment for yourselves. A well-deserved care, love, peace, wellness, and joy too. Until I see you guys next Saturday, have a great summer. Enjoy your life. Have a great time. Bye-bye.